Hey guys, it's Kristina here, and I thought I would film a more kind of a look that I like going for when it comes to parties and fancy parties, I should say. More so if it's in a hall, in a venue kind of thing. By the way, I did my eyebrows off camera and they're super bushy because I haven't gotten them done, so I kind of had to like work with it. So please ignore that. I don't know when I'm gonna get them done. I'm gonna try to go tomorrow to the salon. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna try to do. So all I did was my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna start prepping my skin. I'm going for a look like this, and crossing my fingers it worked out for the best. I am actually going to try a foundation that I haven't used in a very long time. I only used this I think twice before. I don't even know if this is still my shade, but this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the shade 09 Tan. I don't even know if this is my right shade. If it isn't, I'm going to change my foundation, but I actually really want to use this because my face isn't all that great on this side. So yeah, we're just gonna get into the makeup tutorial, I guess. Each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded
writings on the wall inside my head, inside of me. Holding all these thoughts beneath my skin. Can you believe in all?
So I just put extra and darker in my kind of crease area. Now for my lid, I'm going to be taking my setting spray and a flat brush. I'm just going to be spritzing this a few times. So then I'm going to go into the shades Glow Girl and Legacy from my Morphe palette. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start by applying it from my inner corner all the way out and kind of blending it as I go. Then to blend everything together, I'm gonna go back into the shade Extra, and I'm also gonna take darker on the same brush, and I'm just going to blend everything out.
I promise you,